Woo! Are you getting some sciatica down your leg doing deadlifts? My name is Dr. Grant Elliott with RehabFix, here to show you how to deadlift and avoid sciatica or low back pain. Many individuals out there with low back issues have sciatica. Approximately 80% of those in my program start the program with sciatica. Well, they leave without sciatica, but anyway, these symptoms are quite common, and a lot of times we're told, even if we're healthy, we're told that deadlifts are not good for our low back, so that we shouldn't do them. And a lot of people with low back issues are certainly told, hey, don't deadlift, you're gonna make things worse. And really that's just coming from individuals that might not be well informed about strength and conditioning or rehab and not really knowledgeable about deadlifts and really what they're meant for. So I'm going to show you a super simple modification that you can make so that you can continue strengthening your low back without triggering that sciatica. So if when you bend over to deadlift, once you kind of get to this, far motion, this hinging motion to pick up the bar, right? And that's a little bit too far and it starts triggering your sciatica, elevate the bar a little bit so that we don't have to bend as far forward. So here's all I'm gonna do. Now you might, set this up a different way, but I'm just gonna bring the bar over on an elevated platform. So now I don't have to bend forward as far to grab the bar. I'm a little bit more upright here, right? So now I'm not stretching the hamstrings as much to get the bar. That means I'm not pulling the nerve as much. That means I'm not gonna trigger as much sciatica. So here's a phenomenal way that you can keep deadlifts in your routine so that you can maintain your strength, so you can keep strengthening your low back, and you're not going to trigger any sciatica because you can just go from an elevated platform. Now, of course, over time, we want to actually address what the issue of your low back is. This isn't going to fix your low back just avoiding things that trigger it. That's not a long-term solution, right? This is just a way that you can keep your back strong and you can keep deadlifts in your programming. But at the end of the day, obviously, low back strength is not the reason for your sciatica. Something else is. And you and I need to talk and figure out why that sciatica is happening and how we can resolve it so quickly like my other clients have. But this is a great way for you to temporarily keep strong, keep deadlifting, and stay strong in the gym and feel like you can keep your activities, because a lot of people are told to stop deadlifting and to stop their activities. So I hope that this helped elaborate on some sciatica related issues, on why that might be triggered when you're bending over, in ways that you can just keep deadlifting your routine to keep getting strong. So like, comment, tag a friend that needs this. Let's fix your low back, guys.